this life, I gotta get rich, I can't be broke. I was asking favors, and everyone telling me no. Wait till
Yeah, you guys could do that. And actually, the process is very simple. You want to know what it is? Well, good call. A couple minutes and you can take your girlfriend to a restaurant. To get started, we're going to need Luna token generator website. By the way, in addition to creating your token on this site, you can use these tools that will help you in the process. Connect your Solana wallet. Make sure you have at least 0.3 Sol to cover transaction fees. Next, fill in your token details, the name of your token, the symbol. This is your token's ticker. The supply you want to mint, 1 billion is best. The decimals of your token. Come up with a description and upload a logo. Then move on to adding credibility to your token. I suggest including creators' info and social links and tags. These are all necessary to make people want to invest in your token. Come back as I fill everything out. At the very end, enter your wallet as the token owner. Once everything looks good, hit Generate Token. Approve the transaction in your wallet, and within seconds, your token is live on Solana. You can view it directly in Phantom or on SolScan. And that's it. You've just created your own Solana token in less than 2 minutes. The most interesting thing is what's next after the launch. And then magic. As soon as the token gains liquidity, its price increases due to demand, Luna will automatically reset all tokens, and you will be able to get profit to the wallet you specified when creating it. And then just put it on the stream. Go to the launch of a new token. Just spend a couple of minutes and you will see what it will bring you. And at the end, let's run through it one more time. First, Luna generator token, then fill in all the fields, click run, and then the magic will do its thing. Just try it.